To the esteemed leadership of the Information Security Officers Group, the conference organizers, cybersecurity professionals, and honored guests present today, it is my privilege to address you on behalf of Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas Governor Ellie S. Remolona Jr. In today's fast-changing cyber landscape, the BSP sees ISOG as a vital ally in both innovation and the fight against cybercrime. Since 2014, ISOG has strengthened the industry's vigilance through forums, training, and its flagship program, I Am Secure, now in its 8th year. We value this partnership deeply because cybersecurity is not just a technical issue. It has become the foundation of stability and public trust in the financial system. We are proud to stand with ISOG in raising national cybersecurity awareness and building industry-wide resilience. For our part, the BSP has taken concrete steps to advance resilience. In July 2024, we supported the passage of the Anti-Financial Account Scamming Act. In August of the same year, we launched the Financial Services Cyber Resilience Plan to align industry-wide actions. And in February, we established the Financial Cyber Resilience Governance Council to provide strong oversight and coordination. Together, these initiatives strengthen defenses, improve response, and protect consumers. Your theme, Shields Up, Cyber Resilience as a Pillar of Financial Security, aligns perfectly with these efforts. It reminds us that defending against threats is not enough. We must continuously improve, share intelligence, and collaborate across sectors. On behalf of the BSP, I thank ISOG for bringing us together for this important event. May it inspire deeper collaboration, stronger defenses, and a financial system worthy of the trust and confidence of the Filipino people. Thank you, and I wish you a productive and insightful conference.